Hi, my name is Rob Warren with the IBM Cloud VMware team. In this video, we'll have a demonstration of how to get started with IBM Cloud VMware as a Service, the new IBM-managed single-tenant VMware platform for running VMware workloads. As part of the Getting Started Running VMware as a Service series, we've created a single tenant instance. We've then created a virtual data center in that single tenant instance. Within the virtual data center, we've created a virtual network, and then we've deployed a virtual machine to that network. The next step would be to enable inbound and outbound networking traffic to that VM. With the VMware Virtual Data Center Edge, we can enable public and private inbound networking traffic. Note that it's important to consider networking security configurations, including edge firewalls, to protect VMs from potentially malicious public and even private traffic. We start in the VMware Cloud Director console, using the same virtual data center where the network was created in the previous step. On the left pane, under Networking, click Edges. Then on the right pane, click on the edge. Each virtual data center will have a single edge. Identify the public IP addresses that come with the virtual data center. Every VDC will have an allocation of 6 public addresses. Note that the same public IP address can be found in the VMware as a Service summary page for the virtual data center, and also in the VMware Cloud Director console in the Edges page under IP allocations. On the left pane under IP management, click IP allocations. In the right side pane, identify one IP address from the range of 6 available addresses under allocated IPs. With one public IP address identified, click on IP sets on the left pane under the Security section. Click New. Create a new IP set by setting a descriptive name in the public IP identified in the earlier step. We named the set Public RDP in the demo. Click Save. Next, click on Static Groups on the left pane under the Security section. Click New and provide a descriptive name. In the demo, we use Internal Network. Click Save. Select the static group that was just created in the right pane and click Manage Members. In the Manage Members dialog, select the network that was previously created. Click Save and wait for the step to complete. Click on NAT in the left pane under the Services section. Click New and provide a descriptive name. Set Interface Type field to SNAT. Set the external IP to the public network address identified in the earlier step. Set the internal IP to the CIDR that we used in creating networks. A second NAT rule is needed for DNAT. Still in the NAT pane, click New and provide a descriptive name for the second NAT rule. Set Interface Type field to DNAT. Set external IP to the public network address identified earlier. Set internal IP to the address we used in the IP set we called Public RDP from the previous Creating Network steps. Below Internal IP field, click Application. Select Choose a specific application. In this demo, we select RDP, Windows Remote Desktop. Click Save for the dialog. Back in the NAT rule creation, set the external port to the RDP port of 3389 for both IP and port level firewall. Open the Advanced Settings Twisty. Set firewall match to match external address. Click Save. Next, click on Firewall in the left pane under the Services section. This is the first of 3 firewall rules that are applied in this demo. The first firewall rule allows outbound access to the public and private internet. This is to any addresses and ports. Click Edit Rules, then click New on top to add a new rule. Provide a descriptive name. In this demo, we use egress as the name. Click on the edit icon in the source column and select the static group created in the earlier step, internal network, in our demo. Click Keep. Click on the edit icon in the destination column and enable any destination. Click Keep. A second firewall rule is to secure ingress or incoming public traffic to RDP only. At this point, all incoming traffic is blocked. This rule allows incoming traffic to RDP specifically. Click New on top to add a second rule. Provide a descriptive name. In this demo, we use public RDP. Click on the edit icon in the applications column and choose a specific application. Set RDP and click Save. Click on the edit icon in the source column and enable any source. Click Keep. Click on the edit icon in the destination column and select IP set created in the earlier step. In the demo, we use public RDP. Click Keep. A third firewall rule is used to allow incoming pings to the VMs via ICMP. Click New on top to add a third rule. Provide a descriptive name. In the demo, we name this public ICMP. Click on the edit icon in the applications column and choose a specific application. Select ICMP all and click Save. Click on the edit icon in the source column and enable any source. Click Keep. Click on the edit icon in the destination column and select the IP set created earlier. In the demo, we use public RDP. Click Keep. Click Save and apply all 3 new firewall rules.